Polo masanagi haurakpam asi Manipurni haina malemda sak takpagi iroinina lenga asina lamdam asida yelhau masana amadi natki pukai sing ngak senduna thamdanaba lepalektana hotnakigani haina Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokre wafam asi ngasi mapal kangji mungda taret suba Manipur International Women's Polo Tournament hodopagi thoramda mahakna phongdokibani All Manipur Polo Association ampana sinduna ngasidagi mathang thagi ani fawba chathagadaba tournament adu hodopagi thoramga mari leinana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na hai Manipur asi modern polo gi taseng ba amadi ahingba form ama oiriba sagol kangji gi poknafam lamdamni yamna liraba masana asi lamdam asigi oinadi inakhulaba natki pukai chatnabi amadi saktamgi yamna maru oiba saruk amani lenga asina ampaga loinana sagol kangji asi yokhatuna national amadi international gi thakta masana asi utnana bahotnadi sana khonabagi khuthangda nupi sing empower tawduna ampana kumja inglisingani taratruk tagi haurakhiba tournament asi yamna masak thokpa amani nupi singna polo masana asida saruk yarakpa asina nupi singsu nupadagi tadana lam khudingmakta saruk yaba ngamni haiba adu tasengna utli masi apaba kudam amani haina mahakna phongdoki mahakna makhatana hai polo promote tawbaga iroinana sagol kangji gi yaifanaba thabak paikhatpa poni yokhatpa poni gi chakta famsing kanduna thamba amadi puariga thagonariba polo gi ground sing ningthina ngak senduna thamba yamna maktangai fate Hairiba thabak sing asi mapung fana pangthoknana bahotnabada mari leinaba stakeholders singi thodang yamna maru oi haina mahakna makhata ki
The promotion of polo must go hand in hand with the welfare of Sagol Kangje, the preservation of Manipuri pony, protection of grazing grounds, and conservation of our historic polo grounds. These are invaluable assets that require collective responsibility and sustained support from all stakeholders. I assure that the Government of Manipur will continue to support initiatives aimed at safeguarding our traditional sports and cultural heritage while promoting tourism and global recognition of Manipur as a cradle of polo. I congratulate AMPA and Manipur Tourism for successfully organizing this prestigious international tournament and wish all the teams a memorable stay in Manipur. May the tournament be played in the true spirit of sportsmanship, friendship and excellence. With these words, I declare the 7th Women International Polo Tournament 2026 open.
South Africa amadi Zambia yauna team marina saruk yaduna chathagadaba tournament asigi ahoba match ta ngasi India b Manipur amadi India AIPA na lamba tongnaki match aduda India b Manipur na India AIPA bu panjal taramathoi ahumda maithiba piki ngasi tournament aduda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla Governor gi loinabi Joydi Bhalla Additional Chief Secretary Vivek Kumar Devagan IGR South Major General Rav Rup Singh amadi Ampagi President Dr. Konsam Sarat Chandra Mathang Sitna Chief Guest of Honor Amadi President Oina Sarugyaki